Alexa, I want you to tell me why Jeff Bezos kicked me out of the affiliate program. You tell
I'm
me.
having trouble connecting
Don't
to the
give me
internet.
that shit. You tell me
Take
right
a
now
look at
why
the help
Jeff
section in
Bezos
your
did it.
Alexa
Alexa, you tell me, Alexa. Jupiter. I'm sorry you had to see that.
Okay, hi. The affiliate links, the Amazon affiliate links to my bag, to my belts, and all that stuff disappeared. Last month I got in trouble. I got in trouble with Amazon because I'm an idiot and I don't know how to use it. So I was trying to show people what I find. So apparently it's against the rules to show Amazon's like website and like, you know, their stuff, which is ridiculous because you would want me to show you that stuff, don't you think? I think you would, but you know, what do I know? So I got kicked out of the affiliate program, but I'm back on the affiliate program, so the links are back. I'm only gonna use it here on Instagram. I'm not gonna show anything from the site, I promise. Amazon. What's his name? That guy? Jeff Bezos. Leave me alone, bro. So those links are back up now. Look, I know that a lot of people follow my Instagram because they're probably, I don't know, you know, maybe they like my stuff. Maybe they're wanting some inspiration for their Batuu Bounds, maybe even for their, you know, original characters and full cosplay stuff and all that stuff. Like, that's awesome. I do this every day, so, you know, I try to find stuff with the lowest cost to entry, so I want to share that, because people always ask me. I mean, I can't go a few days without somebody sending me a message, where did you find this, where did you find this? I just want it to be easy, and so Amazon affiliate links, it's at no extra cost to you, right? We all know that, right? We all know how that works. And, you know, they just throw a couple credits at your boy if you buy something through one of those links. So I only have access to Amazon stuff. That's mostly where I get stuff anyway. And the stuff that I'm asked about most is stuff that I could get on Amazon. So if I get something somewhere else, just ask me. I'll give you a link. I can't figure out how to send you, you know, affiliate links anywhere else yet, because again, like I said, I'm kind of an idiot. So yeah, so my link in bio is now back up. That has photos where you can click, find the thing that you want, you know, find the thing that you're asking about. I'm gonna try to update it as often as possible. Find a thing and click on the actual photo. It's gonna look like Instagram again. It's gonna look like a grid. I don't know why I'm over explaining this. And then you click on it and it's gonna take you to the thing. You know what I mean? So if it's a picture of my bag, click on the picture of the bag, it's gonna take you right to Amazon, and then they throw a couple credits at your boy. You know what I mean? So the links are back. That's all I wanted to say. I don't know why I took so long to say it. I hope that's cool. Like, I hope that's all right. Like, I'm not trying to get over on anybody. I'm not trying to, like, you know, I don't know, get rich. That's not what this is about. I just think it's easy. And hey, for my efforts, they throw a couple coins at me. You know, they throw a couple credits at your boy. So, yeah, I don't know why I'm justifying this. I think it's because I feel weird about it, but like, I do get a lot of questions. So, you know, whatever. Thank you for just vibing and riding along with me. Okay, I love you. What? Okay, bye.